I can't.
Don't call me a cunt.
No.
What's wrong with you?
No, shut up.
Always calling me
Listen,
that.
listen.
Just say hello.
Well,
What?
sometimes you're really good. Nice ginger. Everybody loves ginger. Oh, he's so good.
Yeah,
But sometimes
Yeah.
you're a fucking cunt.
Shut up, Oscar. You're so rude.
Just fucking crack on.
Oh,
Get
shut
on
up.
with it.
What do you want?
What do you want about my day?
No.
What do you about my day?
No.
Are you there?
Oh,
Shut the fuck up.
go on then.
Well, anyway,
Yeah.
I had a funeral to go to today.
All right. That's sad.
Harry the fucking hyena's fucking dad.
Really?
So I got myself together,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Went up Churchill Square.
All right.
There's all these people up there. All these young white people.
Oh, yeah.
They're all on one knee.
Oh.
Right? And there's all these banners up.
Mm-hmm.
That says fucking BLM.
Oh,
Which
yeah.
I
the
thought
Black
was
Lives
the new
Matter.
takeaway from McDonald's.
No.
But I had no idea what it meant. I mean, my friend, he wears that big white fucking coat.
What?
In a
What?
big cone, pointy fucking hat.
What?
A couple of holes in it.
It sounds like
He said
Ku Klux.
it means
Yeah.
but loving mothers.
No, it
Well, I
doesn't.
don't know what that meant. Anyway, yeah, so they're all on one knee, ain't they?
Right.
All these cameras around,
Yeah.
because, you know, that's what it's all about. Getting in the
Oh,
picture.
yes, that's all it's about.
Anyway,
Selfie.
BBC
No.
come up to me
No.
with a camera
BBC.
and a microphone. And they went, oh, look, even the parrot's on one knee. And I went, no, I just found a quid. So fuck you. Fucking weird, fucking trend mongering, fucking giddy fiddlers. Anyway, off I went to the funeral.
Right.
Wow, old Harry, the fucking hyena's dad.
Oh, it must be.
Well, he was in a zoo in London,
Oh, right.
you know.
Yeah.
Well, some fucking teenager slipped him some acid,
Oh, no.
and he was on one.
Oh, God, he was tripping.
Anyway,
His skull.
they left a wood chipper fucking running near him, and he thought it was a sexy fucking hyena.
Oh, go on, darling. Laugh at me. Please. Just laugh at me.
And well, he didn't end well. I mean, the funeral,
Right.
all he had left, they put in one of those produce bags you buy half ounce of Mexicano,
Oh,
Mexicano
cheese. Oh,
from
my
Waitrose.
strong.
You know that shit.
I know that.
Good, tasty, strong as fuck. And in the morning, you feel like you've got fire coming out of your ass. Oh, mate. Anyway, so I'm at this funeral.
Yeah.
You know, loads of hyenas.
Yeah.
You know, Harry, sisters, mum,
Yeah.
wife, poor deceased.
Everybody there.
And, well, it's all quiet. The vicar said, well, has anyone got anything to say about Arthur, the hyena? And they all started laughing. Everybody! Ah! Fucking everybody! Of course, it got me going. So I started laughing too. Ah!
Oh, no.
And then Harry come up and went, you cunt.
Oh, no.
I went, what do you mean? He went, why are you laughing? I went, well, you laugh. He went, that's because we do
I know.
laugh.
Just laugh.
It's in our nature. And you're just laughing. Now, fuck off. I went, oh, you cunt. So I went fucking home.
Really?
Stupid fucking wankers.
All right. All right.
I mean,
all
I can't fucking know everything, can I?
Alright, Oscar.
I'm a parrot.
All right.
I remember shit, yeah.
No, you do.
Like your fucking credit card number.
What?
But, you know,
What?
if
What
you
did you
don't
just
tell
say?
me, I don't know.
What did you just
I mean, I
say?
went to fucking,
You know my
fucking,
credit card number.
what's his name? Sam the Seagull's funeral the other day. And afterwards, in the wake,
Bullshit.
they're all tucking into a nappy
Oh.
that they found. And
Disgusting.
they're like, hey, do you want some, Oscar? And I was like, fuck off.
Well, of course.
And he went, oh, you're fucking disrespectful.
Oh,
Fuck off.
oh. Oi, about this
I
credit
mean,
card.
I'm just no good.
Oh, no, I know you're not. This credit card, I want to talk to you about this credit
Wanker.
card. Don't you call me a wanker. Come here. Oi, you.